Hi there, welcome to Dex's Live. Today we are deep frying some flour. So I've got some flour in the pot. I've put a bit of salt in. I probably put too much. All you need is a pinch of salt. And a bit of sugar. I don't do a lot of sugar because I prefer to substitute sugar with honey. But if you prefer sugar, then you would probably need 3 spoons of sugar. But for me, I'm gonna do 3 spoons of honey instead, and just half a spoon of sugar because I think it's healthier. Just make sure you stir it up a bit. And then what you need next is 2 spoons of baking powder. This will give the pastry a bit of puffiness. That's why Nigerians or West Africans actually call this pastry puff puff, because it's puffy. And then you're going to need 1 egg. Just add it in there. And then mix it up a bit with your hands. And yes, I did wash my hands before this. Now you're going to need a bit of water. Should be warm water, or some people prefer to use warm milk. Just keep adding a bit of water as needed and keep kneading. You don't really need to knead because it works either way. I'm going for a crunchy outcome, so I'm not gonna knead. Anyways, just keep adding water as necessary until you get a soft consistency. And then at this point, we're gonna add a bit of oil. I added 2 spoons of oil, just so it doesn't stick to your hands too much. Once it's not too sticky, you can start breaking it apart. Now, some people like to roll it out and do all the kneading, but the problem is if you do that, then the outcome is just smooth. I don't like smooth. I like crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. So in order to do that, all you have to do is, at this point, just break it apart with your hands and make balls, just like this. If you feel it's too sticky, all you have to do is add a bit of more oil, and that will sort you out. Once you're done, cover your pot for a few minutes and then start on your cooking oil. Obviously this oil is used, but anyways, to see if it's hot enough, use a wooden spoon. If you see bubbles all around the spoon, then your oil is hot enough. All you have to do is grab your pastry and dip it into the hot oil, just like that, with your hands. There's no right way to do it, no wrong way to do it. Just go with it. Don't put too many in at the same time, because that will cool your oil. You need to keep eyeballing these, because once you see the bottom turning brown, you need to flip them immediately because they burn quick. You need to keep watching your pot constantly. Look at how delicious these look. Guys, you have to try this. And make sure you keep flipping both sides so that they cook evenly. And these are the first 4. All done, guys. Look at how gorgeous they look. Okay, I put in the last 3 and flipping them on the other side. Just like before, it's really easy, guys. This process from start to finish took me about 10 minutes. That's it. So easy and delicious. That's it, guys. Here is our deep fried flour. Listen to that crunch. There you have it. Puff puff, aka mandazi, aka deep fried flour. Tell me, what do you guys call this in your country? Anyways, I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!